5 Facts You Need to Know About Charles Edward Lincoln III, a.k.a. Charlie Lincoln. Charles Edward Lincoln III, aka Charlie Lincoln. If you are sued by him, or worse, planning to do business with him, then you need to know the following facts. Charlie Lincoln may appear charming, well-educated, or even religious, but he is a convicted felon, disbarred attorney, alleged scammer, and serial bankruptcy filer, with a formidable track record of abusing the court system. Fact number 1. Charles Edward Lincoln III is a convicted felon, disbarred attorney. In 2000, Lincoln was convicted in Texas on a federal charge of falsely representing his Social Security number, a felony. As a result of the Texas conviction, Lincoln was disbarred from the practice of law in the states of Texas, Florida, and California. As March 2022, there is still an active arrest warrant for Lincoln in Texas. If you have information regarding the whereabouts of Lincoln, you may contact warrant clerk Martina Brazel at 512-314-7566. You may leave confidential information without revealing your identity. Fact number 2. Charles Edward Lincoln III has filed bankruptcy in multiple states. So if Lincoln owes you money, it's very likely that you will not get your money back from him, even if you bring him to court. Lincoln often uses bankruptcy just to buy time for his lawsuits, and has no intention to pay back his debts. Lincoln has filed bankruptcy in the following states: Florida, 2019. New Jersey, 2018. Louisiana, 2016. Massachusetts, 2009. Texas, 2008. Fact number 3. Charles Edward Lincoln III is accused of running foreclosure rescue scams. Charlie Lincoln claimed he can help with homeowners' foreclosure, but most often he just ripped them off and stole their properties. Lincoln often preys on homeowners in need. Lincoln III probably refers to himself as a foreclosure consultant or mortgage consultant, and markets himself as a foreclosure service or foreclosure rescue operation. He counts on homeowners being vulnerable and desperate and allegedly scammed those victims to transfer their property deeds to Lincoln for $10. Charles E. Lincoln is a fraud. I cannot warn you enough to stay away from this man. He is a convicted felon, and a con man. I found Lincoln when I was looking for help to keep my home. I was stupid and did not do my research. He first said he could save my house for $2,000, he said that the lender had sold the deed and would not have it so they would not foreclose. After I gave him the money he demanded more, and then said I had to put my house in his name. 2 of Lincoln's victims. One homeowner in New Jersey transferred property title to Lincoln for $10, hoping Lincoln could stop the foreclosure. This poor homeowner was later evicted from his house by Lincoln. Another homeowner in Florida transferred his property title to Lincoln for $25. This homeowner fought Lincoln in court and got his house after 1 year. Charles Edward Lincoln III now uses the name Charlie Lincoln, and takes clients and provides legal consultation under a very suspicious organization, the American Legal Defense Fund, ALDF. Fact number 4. Charlie Lincoln III has records of filing numerous frivolous lawsuits, and abusing the court system. Because of his frivolous lawsuits, Lincoln was imposed sanctions of $150,000, Texas; $75,000, Louisiana; and was prohibited from filing any pleadings or lawsuits in any federal court in those states. Lincoln often files baseless lawsuit to delay court procedure. In 2014, Lincoln filed lawsuit against a New Orleans hotel owner for causing his emotional hardship, anxiety, and depression and led to a broken tooth. In 2018, Lincoln filed a complaint against a cafe owner and claimed that he had suffered emotional damage because he was no longer welcome at this favorite cafe which he considered his second home. And later Lincoln added current and former mayor of New Orleans, LaToya Cantrell and Mitchell J. Landrieu, to the defendant list. Fact number 5. Charlie Lincoln has threatened his clients and demanded for money. Even without license to practice law, Lincoln is believed to prepare legal filings for his clients, which usually later became his victims. Many people have lost money they paid to Charles Lincoln for services which failed to solve the problems they faced. These habits include an initial agreement for a one-time payment followed by increasingly angry demands for more money. Again, Michael paid Charles Edward Lincoln $10,000. However, Charles kept demanding more money. Fearful and frantic to keep his home, Michael began sending Charles $1,000 a week. Lincoln, you will need to give me at least $10,000 and maybe $15,000. Non-negotiable, just plan on it. $15K. Lincoln threatened a hotel owner for lawsuit after the owner asked him to vacate because of Lincoln's non-payment of hotel fee. Lincoln even offered to buy the hotel. Lincoln, I am not trespassing because I have not been a hotel guest but a tenant here. Your letter is illegal. For more examples, visit charleslincoln666.wordpress.com. Thanks for watching.